had quite a few of you ask me how I store my art prints in between art fairs. And as you know, if you've watched my channel for any length of time, I make a lot of art prints to sell at shows. This means that at any time in between my art fairs, I'll have from 600 to 1,000, maybe up to 1,200 prints sitting in my storage inventory. So we're gonna go down to my storage room and take a closer look. Now, before we go in here, you guys gotta bear in mind, it's a total mess. I didn't clean anything or arrange anything better in here for this. So yeah, I mean, I'm kind of a chaotic person and you're gonna see why I say that. So here are all of the art prints. I cover them up with just an old sheet because that way they're not getting dust on them. Now I have them set up in these Rubbermaid tubs, and these tubs are actually what I take them to the shows in. There's a lid on the top. If you look down here, you can see a couple of the tubs. They still have some prints inside. I love these Rubbermaid tubs. I get them at Walmart. And they're not too expensive. I'll try to post a link in the description area of the video so that way you know exactly the tubs that I use. But there's lots of different sizes at Walmart. These ones are the perfect size for the 8.5 by 11 inch prints. Now this amount of prints will not fit per tub. This one stack here is probably about what will fit in each tub. Each tub stores around 150 prints. But what I like to do is stick them up vertical in here so I can flip through them to find prints when I'm looking to fulfill orders that I sell online. Now, one thing I've discovered when I'm setting them up here is I put one of these backing boards. This is a backing board from a bigger size print. I just kind of stick it back here. Maybe even just a piece of cardboard would work, but it makes so that the prints aren't taking quite as much of a dent in them back here from being leaned against this. I just have all the prints sitting on a table, and I have them categorized. I have my cats, I have the dogs, and then I have everything else right here so that way I can kind of search through and easily find things when I sell online. Another thing, if you're wanting to store your prints and you're not wanting to be able to look through them to fulfill online orders, a good idea is to put some desiccant packets in there in the tubs with them. I love these things. They're from Dry Tote. I will link these in the description as well. These things are good. Like if you have a basement like I do where my storage room is, it gets a little damp. You don't want your prints getting more moisture in them than they need to. So if you have the desiccant packets, you can pop these into the storage tubs that you buy, and they're good for the art fairs too, because art fairs can be really moist, a lot of different temperature changes. And so these things have saved my prints on so many really wet shows by having them in the storage bins. But I want to show you one more thing. I squeezed myself down in here to show you this, but it's worth it. So when you're putting your prints in the storage bins, it's good if they're all like flush. If you have them all like this, let's say like this, and then they're really stacked on top of each other high, these bottom ones will end up over time getting like dents built up in them from where the top ones are laying, right? And so it's best when you store them if you try to make your stacks very tight together so that there are no room for dents. For my larger size prints, I just store them in a box, and I often have a box. Let's see if I can get it to cooperate here and stay open. But I have a box where I kind of just put lots of different sizes in here. They start to get heavy and they could make dents, but what I like to do is just flip the top one in the stack over to where there's just a backing board. So that way if there is a little bit of a dent in here from these smaller sizes and the weight of them, and it's okay. Now the reason why I use a box for some of these larger sizes is because they won't fit readily in the Rubbermaid tub sizes that they have available at Walmart. Next, if you'd like a closer look at how I manage my art print inventory, I have a vlog you can watch right here. It goes into exactly how I figure out which prints to make before a show and how I just deal with all of this vast inventory that I have of art prints. All right, well, I hope this video helps. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.